Good morning, everybody. This is a video about the multiplication of decimals. So we will start with multiplying a single decimal by a whole number. The first thing we need to do is rewrite it as in the vertical stacked method. So we put the number with the decimal point at the top, and we put the number without the decimal point, the whole number, at the bottom. So we multiply this normally, ignoring the decimal point. So we're multiplying it as if it's 57 multiplied by 2. So that's 7 2s is 14, put down our 4 and hang our 1. 5 2s is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So that is multiplied as if without the decimal point. So now what we need to do is count the amount of digits after the decimal point. In this case, there is 1. So that means on the answer, we have to put our decimal place in 1. Okay, so we're going to move on now to multiplying a number with a decimal point by another number with a decimal point. And we do it pretty much the exact same way as the last one. So we have to rewrite it in the vertical stacked method. And basically we ignore our 2 decimal points and we treat it as a normal multiplication of 2 whole numbers. So it's 62 multiplied by 38. So if I do that quickly, 2 8s is 16. Put down my 6, hang my 1 on the line. 6 8s is 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. Brilliant. And then because that 3 is 10 times bigger than that 8, we put down our 0 and then we start again. So 2 3s is 6 and 6 3s is 18. Then we add them up, get 6, 15, 13 and 2. So I flew through the multiplication part because I know you all know how to do your long division. So what we have to look at now is our decimal points. We've ignored them up to this point. So we have to count how many places are after our decimal point. So there is one number and there is another number. So that's 1 and 2. So that means that we have to come in 2 from our decimal point. So 1 and 2. So our decimal point will go there. Okay, I hope that's cleared it up. If not, you can message me and we'll see about explaining it more clearly. Okay, bye guys.